Hello, I'm back. I'm happy to be here with you, and I hope your crossing over is going smooth and steady. If you've had an accident and you came back from a horrible uh, moment in your life and you passed away and you woke up and you're like, why am I back here? Um, I have the answers for those who are lost after their illness or they've had an accident and they recovered perfectly or imperfectly, it doesn't matter. So let's start. Welcome back. I have some more and more info for lost souls. Maybe you have an illness or are close to death, then I greet you favorably. Death is not the end, it is a crossing over time. You will get punished for your sins. I leave that process to your higher self. I was punished for my sins as a human. My human days prayers surely canceled out a large chunk of my sins. When you hear advice, you don't need to use examples that lower people or yourself. When you feel the need currently to visualize the words spoken by another, try replacing the names with invented characters. That didn't make sense. I'll say it again. When you feel the need to visualize, like sometimes when someone is speaking, you can visualize their words if you have discomfort. And if someone talks negatively about a colleague, see the person marked as an invented character named Bob, for example. You don't associate with hurt. There is no need to fear bad thoughts because you have complete control of your mind. Your divine does also. This attitude will solidify over time. With continual effort to be whole, a saint in the present, close to your higher self, change will begin to solidify. The advice I receive from the universe, my higher self, speaks to the lost souls in heaven. Is this it? You wonder. Is this it? I'm back. What's up? No, you decide angelic powers or human limitations. So being aware is where your higher self lives. That's where it's silent. The silence is gold. But you question where to start. Prayers and meditation attempts to meditate accumulate over time. Reaching awareness is what potential saints are told to attain. Awareness involves reaching a godly connection to that still small voice called your divine, God, Allah, universe, other, Buddha, even. Not Buddha even, as if it's something wrong, but Buddha as well. And generally, after some coaching from your higher self or me, the saint, morals begin to shine and shape themselves inside your body, mind, and soul. The guidance given to you by me, the saint, will help you hear God, Allah, universe, your higher self, is small, gentle voice. Responding to each and every single event, opinion, statement is not necessary. We often feel pressured by the media, society, our teachers, parents to respond to every single word spoken. That's not necessary. Let go. It's okay. Meditation all day long is not a waste of time. Mental control is created through regular practice. Nothing is where there is everything. Applies best, in my opinion, when one is focused solely on their higher self instead of on nothing. So it's not meditation necessarily. You're focused on something, and that's your higher self. And reaching their presence is a gift. And how much time? 4 and 16, 17, 18. Okay, so I wish you the best. There's more advice, so much more that's going to show up in your life by listening to my recordings, and even other YouTubers who produce material. It's very valuable what a lot of them produce. And generally you start to see the videos, the YouTube videos that are not necessarily that represents your state, God, and even reach guidance from these videos to reach your higher self's presence and also to be in heaven someday. And that's it for now. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.